And then Nessa City Type 1. I like how they're both the same blue. Hey, I think they got like matching engine bays. Yo, let's take a sticker. Look at it. Hey, that's pretty dope. Damn, is that a Honda? Oh, damn. Damn, that looks so good. Really? Damn. I think it's like 3-piece lip. Pretty awesome. What's up, son? Yeah, I am. Good to see you. What's up, man? Good morning. The best of the best right here coming up. Is that on swing? Damn. On the race. Damn. What are these things? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 to 5. They must got some crazy outfits because they're sticking out a lot. Right. I actually think it's like rubbing up on the tire. Okay, can you see? Damn. That's crazy. Look at how good the headlights look right there.
I'm sure he doesn't want to. Makes sense.
It's the moving lip. Paint match with the race bread. Albert's FL5. Man. It looks so good. I would just love to see this backed up against the sun. But lady driven. Gotta stay in the shadow. So the pillars look better.
Were you the one that commented on my Facebook post?
Yeah, look
When I
at
was like, I put a Facebook post
sick ass
up,
mirror
I
right
was
here.
like, I found the solution to the taillights.
Dang.
And you're like, oh, I turned mine back.
No, that wasn't enough. What do you give me?
Damn, look at it. Sick ass red roll case. Huh?
Yeah, you got like a little flight or 10, right?
So I have light smoke, the blackout plate, and I did
Damn, what? The Chasing J's, the carbon.
orange reflective.
Wow, that looks so good.
Oh yeah, that's the one that I
Beautiful,
have.
beautiful. Man, look at this hood. And the fender. So aggressive right here. Super vented. It's incredible. Oh, you have one Brewski and Ralphie. Let's see if we get a handshake. Let's see who's left. Damn, famoso.
Huh?
Famous guy.
Hell no, not even.
Damn! You finally came out to play.
We made it through.
Looking good. And the other famous guy. Damn. Look at how this one's got the canards right here. I feel like these ones both almost have like, I think it's a wrap, I think. Oh, the corner lights, nice and amber. And this one doesn't have, but it is kind of wrapped, blacked out. And I think, unfortunately, the bumper's taking a little damage, but it looks good. I like the contrast of the black with the silver. Man, that lip looks good with that splitter. And that hood, man, damn. Crazy looking wheels. Damn, look. I don't know if you can see them, but the spokes have holes in them. So they're extra lightweight. I wonder how that affects the like strength. But they're forged, so I don't think that's gonna matter too much. Oh, is that like a redirection thingy though for the water when it rains? Oh, that's interesting. Oh look, this one's got it too. 3-piece lid right here at the bottom. I think this is the Advan livery. The front and on the side, except normally it's red, so she did it pink. With the pink stripe right there. So you can get a whole look at the whole Advan theme. Oh, look at, check out this sick ass row of bars, man. It's a meet hosted by MRR wheels. We'll check out the beautiful sets of wheels that they have on display at the front in just a moment. Ralphie's car, beautiful FL5 with Sonic Gray Pearl. Ralphie's brother right here with the EM1. And the beautiful red. I've always liked 90s cars. They have that side marker on the side right here. Super beautiful. Also got a little surprise next week on Friday. I'm gonna check out some amazing dope news. I'll be sure to share. Damn, I love this gray. I love how he's got that small. Oh, it's the HKS FK8. That's pretty dope. Pretty dope, pretty dope. And then right here we have Civic Si. I think it's the 9th gen, if I'm not mistaken. It's interesting, it's got some really cool headlights. I can't tell if that's a carbon fiber hood. Oh, it's honeycomb. I don't know if you can see it. The honeycomb shine. Honeycomb shine. Woo! And then it's got a pretty cool front bumper and bumper lip. I don't think I've seen that style before. It's pretty cool. So, I like the color of the bolts as well. They're like light gold, and then I like how like it has the extra cream kind of boat racing sticker. It's pretty dope. I like it. It kind of makes me think though that it might be an 8th gen. Fuck, I want to go look at the back now. Nah, I don't want to. And then something different. This is an Audi. Oh, man. Ah, shit. Damn. I first fell in love with the Audi A4 because it was like the smallest of them, and I believe it's like a 4-cylinder turbo. And I think that starting with the A5s, they're like 6-cylinder turbo. But something like this looks super awesome. I want to say that it's 8-cylinder, but it might not be. Wow, no way. It actually looks like it might be 4 cylinders. 4-cylinder turbo, that would be pretty sick. All you see is my shadow. Is that a carbon hood too? Oh. Damn, wow. Pretty sick, pretty sick. Quattro. Little dope ass lid right here at the bottom. And then the BMW X-Drive. Yeah. I know even less about the BMWs than anything. But the Accords, it's like the Orange County family right here representing. They got the V6 Accord. Damn. And then this gentleman is Diego. He does raps. He's a rap specialist. So if anyone needs rap services, hit up. I want to say 714_Diego Raps. I'll check the car to see if these guys have on it. And I love this one because it's a 4-door sedan, and it's got the Ferrio emblem right here on the side, and then it's also got it right here. It's got some crazy clutch wheels. And let me see, I thought I had his think it's somewhere on the side. Damn, no. You don't got it. He does got a different kind of lip though. It doesn't quite look like the other ones. Different style lip. Interesting. And this one too, the bumper, I don't think I've seen that kind of bumper before. Unless it comes from like a Euro. And then another Civic sedan. Yo, yo, what's up, guys? Oh, shit. You guys just popped in?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. What's up, what's up?
How you doing?
Good. What's up, man? Damn, man, we got a bunch of other Civics over here that just came in right now. Man, that's crazy. I didn't even see them come in. Damn. I like this one too because it's got 4 doors right here. And in the back. Also a gentleman with Orange County family right there. You guys can give him a follow. And then check out his photography page too. I'm sure he's got a link on his bio because he's out here taking really dope pictures. And then kind of stay tuned too because he's got some pretty exciting updates for his car. He's got like 1-of-1 wheels coming up to replace these. And I don't want to share too much details because it's still a secret, but that is pretty sick. And then you can check out the interior a little bit. Let's see if my big old shadow doesn't come out. Nice. Yeah, look at this one. He's on Honda Drive. Big ass truck. I don't know too much. Where you keep the drugs at, sir? Damn. Hey, that's really interesting. He seems to have like some kind of special light kit and a lot of carbon. Damn, that's cool. I mean, I guess that's what controls these little lights. And if you're out somewhere, maybe you can make use of it. And that's pretty crazy. Damn, that's very different. I wonder if we got tires from right here at MRR. MRR wheels right here. Worst wheels. And we got a little bit of everything. There's a Mustang right here. A GT Mustang. Also with some Boris wheels, although I'm less familiar with the Boris wheels. Are they Boris? Oh, looks like they may not be Boris wheels. Now we got also a Camaro. Damn, is this a Super Sport for real? Damn, that's kind of crazy. I didn't even know that this came with a leather interior like that. Wow, that's pretty cool. I mean, I wish it was black interior, but it looks nice. Wow. Wow. I love how it's got the carbon hood. interesting how my head pops out like that. Pretty crazy. And this is one of my favorites, Integris, because I've been such a fan of it for so long. I think like at least 10 years. And then I finally met the gentleman, and he's such a cool ass, down to earth dude. And one of the things that I especially like is the wing that he got on it. Look at that wing. Man, there's a DC5 wing. Dog line. And then a raw dog interior. And then they worked on this little EF over the week, because I shot it last week and it was still kind of green. So the fact that it's like way different is crazy. I mean, goddamn though. Hey, that's interesting. It's got a new lid. That wasn't on there last week. Oh, actually, I'm lying, because I didn't even see him last week. Last week, I recorded. This gentleman has a right-hand drive one. Damn, this one has pretty clean interior too. Damn, that's crazy. I don't remember seeing that part of it. Yeah, you know, this is my favorite style, Civic Type R. Sick ass full. The only thing is, I'm not a very big fan of the white. I know it's like the original Type R tribute, but and then the Boost Blue is like one of the very special colors, but I also don't like this Boost Blue very much, personally. But I do admit that it's super good looking and beautiful. Man, look, I don't know if you can tell, but the wheels, they have got this glitter effect. Damn, that thing looks like it just walked out the showroom right now. So clean, look at that light. That's crazy. Look at the hat. Damn, that's crazy. Crazy ass wing right here. It's so insane. Is that the spoon? Oh, yo, he got the little Squirtle. Damn. I got the dual exhaust right here. Kind of remind me like Dave's. Pretty sick. White. Championship white. Nice. Rich, the homie Rich EG. Damn, that thing for sure looks like some straight up Japanese race car. And a huge ass Greddy exhaust. Wow. And then we got also another big Legend. With the Toyota Corona Chino Fig 1. He be out at a lot of shows too, man, representing for the Toyota gang. And he's also takes a lot of dope ass pictures, so give him a follow. Chino Fit 1. And then let's get another look at this Civic EG. And look, sick ass racing interior. Damn, it's crazy how the visors have that like phone thing right here. I always found that annoying that like the visors that I have on my car don't have the blocking right here. It's also just missing the whole mirror thing right here. How does he even switch lanes? And look here, damn. Right here he only got one wiper. And it looks like it's like a carbon fiber wiper too. Carbon fiber. Dude, that is crazy, look at that. He does got a mirror on this side though. I love how it's got the original pinstripe. And then I think that's like a Euro thing when they have the headlight on the side right there in the bottom. Not a headlight, it's there's side markers. It's not a fog, or it does have a fog light, but side markers. I forgot what it's called.
Well, even for us, like it's set up, you know.
The bumper, the lip. And the wheels are like classic OG 90s wheels. Can you imagine if they made those wheels on the Type R? That'd be pretty crazy. And then the Corona. Got the same wheels that I've seen on the other one. I don't want to block the picture, but damn, that looks super sick. The gold calipers right there. And these are the companies that's hosting the thing. MRR wheels. think this is a clutch wheel that David has on his PK.
Wait a minute, motherfucker.
Oh shit. Damn, that looks big on the new wheels. You just threw those on.
Yeah.
Damn, it looks super sick with those wheels.
Yeah, there's a lot. There's a lot, right? There's like three. Three?
Big wheel came through. That is crazy, man. No customer complaints. Man, that's crazy. Wow. Damn, look at those scoops right here. I'm sorry.
By the way, I never introduced myself. My name's Easy, by the way. Easy Motorsport.
Super dope entrance.
Hace tiempo que no envío buenos días.